Good evening, Dominic from DNA Racing Pigeon Loft. This is my 2015 young birds in my newly built young bird loft. These are 2014 correction 2015. The ones on the bottom, the white ones, is Bending Gardens. Also the dark track right there. In this loft I have about 25 2015 young birds. My red check white flag. In this loft also I got 3 birds from Honolulu, Lokahi, and some other ARP members. Then right there on the top is another splash Bending Garden. The whites. Got about 6 pairs. From that one pair I got for Nathan, a white bandit with a blue check white flight garden that be giving me some good results. So this year is the first year I'm going to fly them. But again, yeah, this is my 2015 young bird loft 2. They'll be starting to train probably 1 mile, 2 miles out starting this weekend. And then let's go over to my other loft. Again, my 2015 young bird loft. And in here is my next loft. This is all 2015 loft 2. These birds also gonna be training. These are 2015s. We get another 17 in here. Mostly dark tracks and blue bars and blue bar white flags in here. But yeah, this bird's been doing good right there. This one I got from mother son. I got the mother and son, so this blue bar white flight and this blue bar white I don't know what you call it, but they both came out of the same pair. Another good one. Blue bar white flag, blue bars. I get all my blue bars and blue bar white flags in here. The cocks is all separated on that end, and all the hands all on this end, all up here in the other loft. Again, Dominic for DNA Racing Pigeon Loft. Until next time. Aloha.